Come forward, I'll tell you. Then maybe it will fill you up. So, if you guys also put garbage inside your stomach, then the garbage will come out and hang here like this. So brother, in this video we will talk about how to fix the extra belly that is protruding, this extra excess fat. Friend, walk slowly, do push-ups like this, do jumping slowly, do push-ups and then jump. This is done. Jumping is variant. Yes. Okay. Why are you laughing? Okay. Let's create a ruckus. You can make yourself fit. Yes, this exercise. Show him like this. Yes. Look, you can see how much fat has gone from his legs. Okay? I mean, fight by tearing the fat, brother. We work so hard for you, now we cannot hide here. Okay? Keep your stomach very tight. Okay? After that, look there, look straight ahead, turn completely and think. Okay? So, in this way, if you're a beginner, then relax. Move aside, run. Then you eat potatoes and junk food and say my belly is like this. Your belly was like this, now you've made it like this by overeating. So, Jai Hind, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Fitness with Pradeep Sir. I'm Pradeep Kumar, and the one standing in front of me is my younger brother, Sandeep Kumar. So, brothers, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to reduce belly fat. If your belly is protruding like this, how do you do it? How do you keep yourself fit? Okay, friends. So, that's what I'll talk about in this video. So, stay tuned from start to finish. Okay? Many people say that your belly is protruding because you eat too much. So, all this is nonsense. The belly doesn't protrude from eating too much. The belly protrudes from eating unnecessary food. Right? Like, you eat burgers, chow mein pizza, or burgers, right? Because of this, the food starts rotting in your stomach instead of getting digested. Right? And chow mein, etc. takes longer to digest. That's why what happens in your stomach? You start gaining weight. Right? Your belly starts protruding. Right? So, I'll explain the first reason. That's the first reason. And the second reason is that you don't exercise. Because of this, the food in your stomach gets digested, but you can't digest it properly. Right? So, in 5 minutes, we're going to do 5 types of exercises. It's very easy. You can do it anywhere. Right, my friends? So, the first exercise is jumping jacks. Let's do jumping jacks. Do jumping jacks. Let's not do this. The first exercise is jumping jacks. Let's do jumping jacks. Tell me how to do jumping jacks. So we're also going to do 1 set of jumping jacks. After that, I'll tell you how many sets and repetitions to do. You guys do them. Okay? Let's do jumping jacks. Jumping jacks? Okay. I'm doing 1 set of jumping for 10 repetitions. Okay? Look, here's how to do jumping jacks. Like this, stand up here first, check your jumping. So how will you do the jumping? Yes, how do you do it like this? Now come forward, you're at the back, no problem, see, like this, friend side, let's do it. You can do it easily anywhere. Okay, now come forward, come forward, side, like we are doing, you have to do the same, right? Sir, so now we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay, relax. So, this is the first exercise, that is quickly, okay, right? You know how much you have to do, that is, do 3 sets, 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Okay, my friends? So, the first exercise is done. Tear off your belly fat and keep it out. Okay? Now we'll do. Another exercise, my friends. The barfi exercise is not the edible barfi sweet that you eat and it grows bigger. Okay? Not a fadu sweet, barfi is work. It's an exercise. Okay? How do we do it? What happens in it? We do it sparingly. Okay? So what do we do with this? We're doing 1 set. We're doing 10 repetitions of 12 repetitions. After that, I'll tell you how much you did. Okay? Look, it's like doing push-ups like this. Okay? You did push-ups like this. Don't do push-ups like this. Okay? Do push-ups correctly. Okay. Sit here first. Jump like this. 1, 2 is done. 3, 4, 5, 6 to 8 or 10. We are hitting 1 more, no problem. So this is the barfi exercise. Okay, my friends. Let's do it. It's done. So this is the barfi exercise. You guys can do it. We have just done 1 set of 10 repetitions. Okay. So you guys can do it. You had to do 3 to 4 sets of repetitions in which it will be done, and it will burn all the fat on your stomach. It will melt it completely, right? And you know what the fat will say to you? Brother, I work so hard, but I can't stick to you. Okay, please free me. Please free me. Now I'm going to say, okay, your fat will go away on its own. If you do this for at least 3 months, 3 months is enough. You will see results within a month. Okay, so that's it. So now friends, let's tell you what you'll do with exercise number 3. Okay? Come on, relax, relax. Come on, relax, relax. Come on, move, run, run. If you're not behind, you eat potatoes, fruits, or something, and my belly has become like this. Your belly was like this. You've eaten everything and made it like this. So what should we do? Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I jumped. So brother, I was going to tell you what you'll do with the third exercise. Third exercise means walking or running. You guys must do walking or running. Walking or running means like going to the ground for 20 minutes. Okay. Go to some good ground, i.e., field, and run for that 10 minutes with full focus. Not that my mind is somewhere else and I am scared thinking about someone else. Okay? So don't do that. Run for at least 10 minutes and do that for 15 to 20 minutes. That is, run comfortably and that too at speed. How to do it? Wait, I will tell you. 20 is okay, right? If it is more than the rest, then this is also okay. Okay? Otherwise, if you do running, then do the rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes, right? Exercise. It is a day when you will... Fourth exercise is plank. Plank exercise. Let's do plank. So let's do plank. What is the correct form? What is the correct technique? Let's tell you first how to do plank. First, come in the form of push-ups. Come in the form of push-ups. Keep the hands exactly at shoulder level. Keep the hands exactly at shoulder level. Look here, at shoulder level. See where is the shoulder coming. Keep the hands exactly at shoulder level. You think here. Like this. Nice paw. Okay. This is done. Keep the hands, stomach absolutely tight. Keep the stomach absolutely tight. Okay. After that, look there. Look in front. Keep thinking completely. Okay. So in this way, if you are a beginner, then do it in this way. Okay. If you are a beginner, then hold in this way for at least 1 to 1.5 minutes. Keep it okay, my friend, and do at least 3 to 4 sets and hold for 1 to 1.5 minutes each. Then our fat will melt away completely. Right? Now if you start doing it like this, don't bend, keep it straight. So what should you do? Then after this, do something harder than this. What is the first thing to? Look at the push-ups. First look at the hands here. Why are the hands placed so high? Our shoulders are at least 4. Keep the hands at the level of the shoulders. Look here, how much we have prepared. You have placed the hands at the level of the shoulders, right? After that, look at the stomach. And look straight. Look absolutely straight like this, okay. And do not lift your back too much. Keep it down, yes, okay. Now look, it is done like this. Now look down absolutely straight like this and go down slowly. Then come up slowly. Then come down slowly. We have to do 2 to 3, okay. 5, 6 to 8. No 10, okay, my friend. We have done 10. So relax, relax. So we have done 10 push-ups. How much do you have to do? Do at least 2 to 3 like this. 10 repetitions or 12 repetitions. As many as you can, okay. But I forgot one thing. This was for a little store. If you are not able to do it like this, then how to do it in the beginning, keep your knees on the ground. After that, do it slowly. As I'm explaining right now. I'm charging you 1 to 10 repetitions. Okay? So let's get started. So if you want to do it like this, first do the knee like this. Okay, place the knee like this. Then place your hands here like this. You placed your hands like this, right? Now the leg is coming back. Lift it. Okay. Lift your leg like this. What do you do after that? Come down slowly like this. Then come down like this. Then come up like this. Then come up like this. Okay. Do it this way. This way. Half the load of your body will be on your stomach. Okay? Not the full load, the entire load that you lift first, and then do it this way will be on your stomach. Okay? Keep it like this. Then do it slowly, at least stick to one. Okay? Do it slowly. Do it this way. Stay connected. Let's do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Something like this. Okay? So, you guys do this for 1 to 1.5 minutes. That means, do as much as you can. Do 4 sets of 12 repetitions. Okay? So, this was the last exercise. The 5th one is push-ups. Okay? So, my friends, this was the last exercise, push-ups. Okay. So if you guys like the video even a little bit, then like and subscribe. Subscribe again and like, share, like and comment. Don't forget to comment on which topic you want the next video, on which topic you want the next video, on this topic you want the next video. Yes, okay, right. So friends, if you guys found this video even a little bit helpful, then don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Okay, my friends, and if you guys are new to this channel for the first time, then please subscribe. Okay, and turn on the notification. Okay, my friends, on which topic do you want the video? Don't forget to comment. Okay, right? Friends, so friends, we will meet now in the next video with the next topic. Till then stay tuned with Fitness with Pradeep sir. Okay, my friends, so friends, we will meet now in the next video. Till then say bye-bye, friend. Bye, see you in the next video. Say Jai Hind, Jai USA, say Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai USA, say it tightly, Jai Hind. Jai USA friends, say it, friend, it's done.